Hello everyone, my name is Abhishek and you are watching Gateway for Engineers. Today I am with a new video on important announcement by IIT Bombay on GATE 2021. So let's get started. See, first of all, coming to exam dates, they have given 6 slots: 5, 6, 7, 12, 13, 14 of Feb 2021. Okay, so earlier there used to be 4 slots for the 4 date for the examination: Saturday, Sunday, but Saturday, Sunday of 2 weeks, but this time they have included Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, 3 days, due to the following the norms of social distancing. They have increased the number of dates. Next, new subjects added. See, initially there were 25 papers on which student used to give the examination, but from now onwards, two new subject papers are added. One is environmental science, another is humanities and social studies. So these are the subject papers which which are included in GATE examination. See, aerospace, agriculture, architecture and planning, biomedical engineering, biotechnology, civil, chemical, computer science, chemistry, electronics and communication, electrical, and the new subject is environmental science and engineering. Then ecology, evolution, geology, geophysics, instrumentation engineering, mathematics, mechanical, mining, metallurgy, petroleum, physics, production and industrial engineering, statistics, textile engineering, fiber science, engineering science, and another new subject added is humanities and social science, and last one is life science. So these are the 27 papers on which GATE will take examination from now onwards. Coming to next most important note is that previously we used to select one paper code and used to give on that particular examination, but now onwards we can opt for two streams and give the examination. Okay, suppose a mechanical guy will opt for mechanical as well as can opt for production. Okay, then we have to give two examination, that is ME or plus PI if you want. Otherwise you can go with one examination. The combination will be provided by IIT Bombay later when official notice will come. Okay, so this is a quite good change because you can opt, now you can opt a stream which has less competition and excel in that. So it's a good point that was given by IIT Bombay. Next is eligibility criteria. See, earlier it used to be 10 plus 2 plus 4 ongoing were eligible to give the GATE examination. Okay, that means 10 means your class 10th, plus 2 means 12th, and plus 4 means 4th year of your engineering BTech. So when you were in the final year, you were able to give the GATE examination. But now onwards, they have made a change, and 10 plus 2 plus 3 ongoing is also eligible to write the GATE examination. Earlier from 2003, when MCQ get incorporated, then the third year and final year both were eligible to give the GATE examination. But from 2011 onwards, the only final year were eligible. But again, history repeats, and from 2021, both third year and final year are eligible to give the GATE examination. So it's a good news for third years to have a feel of the examination before they give the final touch. Okay, so you won't be having any tension in your mind, and you can easily give the examination, and if you have prepared well, you can crack it in first attempt also. Next is the validity of the GATE scorecard. So GATE scorecard is valid for 3 years, so no need to worry. You can apply for IITs or PSU, depending on your GATE scorecard. Okay, so it's valid for 3 years. So these were the few changes that IIT incorporated, and hope you like this video. If you like, give a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. In this channel, you will get concepts through questions, Formulas are different subject for mechanical, and I am taking a weekly test on different topics, so you can participate. So go and join my WhatsApp or Telegram group. Link is in the description, and also subscribe my channel for further updates. So stay safe and stay tuned. Thank you. Thank you for watching.